Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, this is DigiTek tripod in front of me. My friend gave me this tripod as a gift, so today I will do the unboxing of this tripod. So let's see what's inside it. So let's open it. We have one packet over here. One more is there. So this is our tripod. Let me open this. Okay, this is tripod. This is mobile stand. Our Bluetooth remote. So you can see it's written Android and camera 360 iOS. That means Android user can use this button and Apple users can use this button. As you can see, this tripod is very strong. The material is also very good. It's very flexible also. You can see that this tripod is very handy. You can carry it inside your bag also. And material wise also it is very strong. You can see this, and it's very flexible also. You can see like this. You can hold, you can keep like this also, and you can keep like this also, and you can attach it somewhere like this also. See. Let's see how we can attach this mount over here. You can simply attach it like this, or you can attach like this also. You have one more point over here to attach it. So see, you can hold like this and take videos or photos. Or now first we have to switch on this button. You can see on off button is this, so we have to switch on this button. You can see this blue light will blink over here. Now let's see. First we have to switch on the Bluetooth. Okay, so let's switch on the Bluetooth. Okay, so the name of this Bluetooth is Rosh Chettri. Okay, bear with. Okay, it's connected now. Let's see. Okay, let's open our camera. Where is camera? Okay, so you can see that. Okay, let's see the demo. Okay, so I'm going to press this Android button. Let's see. You can see this image. In the same way, you can take videos also. Let's click on the video. Now you can start your video. Okay, let's see. So you can see that it's very nice. Okay, let's try this button also, iOS. I don't know whether we will be able to click bits with this or not. Let's see. Okay, that means in Android phone you can use both the buttons to click photos or videos. You can see like I used this button Android, and we were able to take picture, and now I just click this iOS button and we were able to take picture with this button also. You can see. That means we can use both the button, okay, that this Android and iOS to click photos or pictures if you are using Android phone. But if you are using Apple phone, I think you have to see whether you can use this Android button or not, or else you have this button, iOS button is there. While using this phone holder, you have to be very careful because you can injure yourself with this small gap is there. Just now I got injured with this. So the name of this brand is DigiTek and the model number is DTR260GT. The actual price of this product is 995. I don't know whether, okay, 995, but you can get it in a very cheap price in Amazon. It's just 399 rupees. I will give you the link of this tripod on my description box. So the price is very reasonable. It's 399. So if you are a new YouTuber and if you are a new vlogger, you want to buy something new and which is very cheap, and you can definitely go for this. It's just 399 rupees. Not only YouTubers, you can also buy this for your personal use so that you can click selfies, and it is very portable. It is very handy. You can carry inside your bag, and it is very lightweight, as you can see over here. Okay, it is just 0.149 kg. So it is very convenient to carry. Some of its specification are, it is maximum load it can take is 1 kg and maximum height is 240 mm. Folded height is 260 mm. So you one important thing over here, you have one release button over here. Apart from that, you have one button also over here, rotating button. Okay, so what is this button for? Like if it is this side, when you press it, it will not fall down. It will not fall, your mobile will not fall down. But if you do like this and your mobile is here, it will fall. It will fall down, see. So this is lock, where you have to lock this when your mobile is over here. If it's locked, it will not move. But if it is unlocked, it will move and your phone will fall down. So if you want to buy this product, I will give you the link in the description box. You can definitely try this since it's very reasonable. You have one more point is here, so you can attach your mic over here. Apart from this, not only mobile, you can use your DSLR also. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, do like, share and comment, and if you are new to my channel, do subscribe my channel. Thank you.